Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.6 trillion. We're down 2.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. So, we are starting to see some green across the board, especially in the last 1 hour because Bitcoin did something very, very interesting that I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys don't know, I did create a poll on my YouTube community tab and I did say, would you guys like to see a Bitcoin and altcoin late night update? And a lot of people did say yes. So that's exactly what I'm bringing you guys right now. So, let's not waste any time and get right into the charts. So this is the Bitcoin charts, that you guys are seeing right now. So I wanted to show you guys one thing. So this was the initial price pullback for Bitcoin that we did see on May 19th, which was 2 weeks ago. Then we had, a market, a recovery towards the upside. That was a clear fake out. We did see the markets go down once again, and we went up once again, and we fell again. So what I'm trying to get at to is that, let me show you guys right now so you guys can get a better picture as to what is going on. So as you guys can see, this initial price pullback, the initial crash that we saw after the Elon FUD and the China FUD, we saw Bitcoin price fall to $30,000. This was 2 weeks ago. Last week we saw Bitcoin fall to $31,100 level, and today, guys, we saw Bitcoin fall to $33,100 level. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin has been creating higher lows over the last 2 weeks, and that is a bullish sign. As soon as we touched this, guys, we had a bounce back and I got really excited. Obviously, we did see this decline towards the downside, and if you guys don't know, on the weekends in cryptocurrencies, markets can be heavily manipulated because the CME future gaps are closed. So whales tend to manipulate the markets, especially on the weekends. So that is a very normal occurrence in the crypto space. But I like how Bitcoin is creating higher lows in the charts over the last 2 weeks, and that is a bullish sign, and that means that bears are getting frustrated and they are unable to keep the price down towards 30K or even below that. But this as you guys may know, if you guys have been watching my videos, or even if you watched earlier today, I did say, guys, this is a very crucial level of support for Bitcoin, and I do not personally want Bitcoin to go below it, and that is at that $36,189 level. We could even get above this in the next hour or two. But if this is a fake out, guys, so far so good. I'm still not convinced that the bottom is in unless we get to one of these price levels. You guys know how important these two price levels are for me. And if Bitcoin were to reach $46,700 level and actually stay above here for a day, I will be convinced that the bottom is in. But so far so good. This bounce is really bullish, and how Bitcoin is creating higher lows. I wanted to make a video on that and show you guys what is going on. So now, so far so good. Let's hope Bitcoin does gradually move towards the upside. But now, if this is a clear fake out, guys, we have to be prepared for some downwards momentum to occur. So now my level of support for Bitcoin is around this level. You guys can see $33,100 level, guys. So now if Bitcoin is unable to hold above this level, guys, and we go below this level of support at from the $33,100 level, guys, as much as I hate saying this, we have a potential to fall even further below 30K, guys. So now this level is very, very crucial. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm talking super fast, so I might be butchering up a bit. But yeah, we need to stay above this level now. If this is a clear fake out, if Bitcoin does go towards the downside, let's say we fall towards the downside, this was a clear fake out, we need to bounce back up from here, guys. If that's not unable to happen, we will see Bitcoin fall below 30K, and that's a high probability of occurring if we go below that. So I just wanted to put that out there. Bullish scenario obviously is, guys, get above this level of support and actually stay above there, which is around that $36,100 level. We're literally right below it, and I would not be surprised, as I have mentioned, in maybe the next hour or so we get above that. But you know, these are still the price targets for me to be bullish that the bottom is in, these price targets. And you know, all eyes are still on Bitcoin, but we need to get back into this range. But yeah, that's what it is looking for, you know, Bitcoin. And I wanted to share this with you guys. After we saw the bounce back towards the upside, this was a very, very bullish indicator in my opinion. And that's what we would like to see. But if this is a fake out, I have mentioned what is a, you know, possibility of occurring in the markets. Also, you guys are starting to see how fast the markets tend to recover when Bitcoin does see you know, upwards trend. We saw Bitcoin go towards the upside since you know, the bottom at $33,000. We are up 7.7%, and majority of the altcoins, guys, if you go look at ADA, you look at Vechain, Vechain was up 12% before I started to make this video. So that goes to show, guys, when the markets tend to go towards the upside, especially Bitcoin, altcoins will outpace it. But when Bitcoin goes towards the downside, you know, it's the other way around. So let's say Bitcoin goes down 7%, we will see altcoins bleed even harder, possibly 15-20%. So you guys get the picture. So far, so good. You know, I will make a video earlier tomorrow when I do cover my Vechain and, you know, Cardano updates, and then we will look as to where we have, you know, come. But, you know, I wanted to make this video for you guys right off the bat because this is a bullish pattern in my opinion. But you know, now if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap, we have a market cap of $1.544 trillion. And, you know, this is a level of support around this $1.2 trillion mark. We do not want to get below this. What I would personally love to see, you know, Bitcoin to do is get above this 50 EMA. We need to get above this because, guys, historically, if we're speaking historically, during all the Bitcoin, you know, during all the bull run that we have seen, guys, the markets have never gone below this level, you know, this 50 EMA. Obviously, we do have these, you know, wicks here and there, but it never closed there. So we need for us to get above this 50 EMA. And that would be roughly around that $1.9 trillion, you know, market cap, and that is a possibility if a Bitcoin does head towards these price levels. And if that happened, guys, we will see massive green across the board. We will see altcoins make a very fast recovery, and you guys have already started to see the trickling effect of that happen when we have seen these moves towards the upside when Bitcoin does have a bounce back up. So far, we have to keep our eyes on 33K level now, guys. You know, if this is a fake out, let's hope Bitcoin does go to 33K level and bounce back up. If that's not the case, if it goes below it, the bearish scenario is we could possibly fall below 30K and things will not look nice then, guys. You guys know me. I keep it very realistic with my viewers. I care about each and every one of you guys, and I will always look at all the scenarios. I'm not going to come out and tell you guys bottom is in and we are headed towards the upside. You guys know me. I keep everything realistic on this channel and you know, transparent, and this is what is looking for Bitcoin right now in the entire market, and I felt like this is worth sharing with my viewers, especially because I care about each and every one of you guys, and I will always bring it, you know, the latest and the greatest content for you guys, and because I love you guys so much. So this is it for Bitcoin's price. Let's hope this is not a fake out, but you know, in the next couple hours we will be able to see what is going on, and I am gonna get going to bed right after I upload this video. I'm bringing this right for you guys because you guys asked for it, you guys voted for it, so I'm bringing just that. If we are going on, before I end this video, guys, if we're going on the Google Trends, you guys can see Google Trends for Bitcoin worldwide is still literally almost at its all-time high. This goes to show, guys, a lot of people are still, you know, searching Bitcoin, and you know, we are seeing massive interest coming in from institutions, guys. Institutional interest, you know, interest is literally super high because, you know, they are here to you know, hedge against inflation with crypto, and they are starting to accept you know, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as, you know, an actual asset class. That's where we're seeing major interest coming in. We're seeing billionaires you know, coming into the crypto space and backing Bitcoin as the digital gold, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning, guys, for the entire space. And you know, the future is literally, you know, the sky's the limit, basically, in my opinion. So, Bitcoin is going nowhere. And, I just wanted to make this update for you guys. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And guys, before I end this video, guys, if you guys have not joined my Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? Come join the group. It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and we just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and say hello, and let's build this community together. But with that being said, guys, stay safe out there wherever you are. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And, thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Smash the like button because this does help my video get to a wider audience. And, thank you so much once again. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.